check out the most recent Dribble Guy vs. Dribble Guy. Get that to 100 likes. Dribble Guys, Citkeys. I remember him from back in the day. We back doing it, man. Drop a like. Oh. He got like the most realistic Dribble Guy combos. Like he don't really try to glitch you. He just like snatch it. He got like that. We gonna shake the scar. We gonna shake the scar on that. Oh, hey. Then you put the ball in front. I like his style. Everybody kind of looking different. 26. And I know how to boom. I need the tapes to start dropping, man. Right now I'm scrapping through what I can find. I need the tapes, I need people to start caring about the kills again. Bring back the vibes with the music, Okay. He cooking. I like his style. It's like even IRL people couldn't hate on how you. Even IRL people couldn't hate. Like people who just sim heads. Alright, we getting on to the next one. Let's get to the next dribbler, man. See what we got on the menu. Now we gotta go off his intro clip because he don't really got takes, but Impectual is nasty though. He used to be like one of the king of standstill heads. He just got that style like that. And he on big bills too. Oh my Oh my god. Oh my lord. Oh my god. God damn, these niggas don't drop the tapes, please. Oh, please. Here, like, all the moves coordinate, all the moves coordinate together. Oh my god. Can't even. He is super tough. Oh my god. And that jump shot, like the release, like everything matters. Oh my god, everything matters, like how it looks. He's still crazy. Oh my god. He's still crazy. Oh my god, he's even more. Oh my god, he's even more crazy. In the fit too.
I know you'll be the one standing. That's right. That's right. You know what you gotta do. Do it. Do it.
brought y'all the pack on the screen. 2 underrated guys I feel like definitely should be up there more
Do it.
on the dribbling scene. Gotta drop more tapes though so niggas know how unique you are.
That my way. Spin this shit around. That's him.
Got me a Zen just in case. Went to the store today. Went to gangsta out today. Seen a Zen in the case. I made my way. I made that pay. Bought me a Zen today. We say fuck my way. We not tryna be your friend. I'm in a park going overseas. Because I got me a Zen until I got me a Zen. I plugged it in again. I'm feeling plugged in. Who got the work again? Who got the script for me? I need the best script to hit the green. My Wayne, we said fuck you. We all ballers is in. Everybody in the Discord, 5,000 members. We say fuck my Wayne. We scream fuck my Wayne. They making all of this pay. Winning all of the events. Winning all like the stage. Winning, shooting the green. I might take a fade. We say fuck my Wayne today. We all got a Zen. Plug it in again. Man, who got the work for me? I need all the scripts. I need everything. Who got the work for me? I need me a Zen. I plugged it again. I'm destined to win.
Fuck. The first pass that you dropped, you fucked the game up. Mike Wayne, you didn't know that you fucked the game up. My niggas can't shoot no more. They 0 for 6, bro. Mike Wayne, we want wall. Wrong piece no more. Mike Wayne, we do this shit. You put us in a bad position. Now my niggas fucked up. Like the head missing. We turned into head hunters. Now we hunt for Mike Wayne. It's a bad summer. It's a bad winter. No Christmas on the tree, it's a bad mission. No presents under the tree, it's a bad Christmas. Man, I'm talking to my man, making senses.
I can't show no love to them niggas, show no love. My day one switched up, no love for them niggas, no love. I can't trust these niggas, I can't trust, and I can't fall with these niggas, can't no fall with them. Show no love to these niggas, show no love. My day one switched up love for them niggas, no love. Show no love for these niggas, can't no love. Now it's fuck 'em.